Hey guys, it's March 19th today. I have a lot of seeds to plant and get started for spring. I'm out in the greenhouse. It's a bit of a disaster at the moment, so I'm gonna clean it up quick, knock out all those seeds, and then I'll give you a little bit of a greenhouse tour afterwards. We're gonna do a little of this spiral broccoli. Looks pretty cool. These little guys are Mexican sour gherkins. They're like the size of a large grape. Very tasty, cucumber. I'll just show you the seeds we put together real quick. These are 98 tray seeds. We have a whole tray of peppers, tomatoes, and a little bit of bok choy, eggplants, and broccoli. Whole tray of basil in larger 2-inch squares, a little bit of fennel and hibiscus. We use those in teas. And up here, some other stuff. These are just sunflowers for Ella, passion flowers, little butterfly bushes. Here's our leeks, onions, and shallots are all growing there. Over here, I have some houseplants that are getting propagated. They're just cuttings. Here's some other figs from these figs here. So last year, I picked up some figs from a local guy, and they're growing very well already. They really like the greenhouse. His family brought them over when they immigrated to this country. The beds I put in this year, we've already harvested arugula, cilantro, broccoli rabe. Right now I have them just back planted with a little bit of lettuce I've been growing. And I have some spinach that's about ready to be harvested, and beyond that is a little bit of match. I'll do another video when we start transplanting and getting these things all in. That'll be a lot of pots, a couple hundred easily. So as promised, a quick tour of the greenhouse. It is a cross between timber frame and insulated lower panels. It's sunken into the ground a little bit. I did put radiant into the floors. I haven't hooked the furnace up for it. For the meantime, we've been using a propane unit, which is supposed to be the backup. Fan to keep the air moving. Automatic openers on the large door hung sideways to ventilate it. We also have, I have to duck under here to look, automatic vents that pull open when the air handler turns on. The extra plastic that I have up is generally just for the winter. Cuts down on a lot of the heat and disperses the light a little bit. We cut the edge off here so that the seedlings can get nice bright direct sunlight, and we can keep the rest of these from getting scorched in the process. This usually comes off during the summer, and a shade cloth goes over the whole thing. So this structure is backed up against my barn, and it's insulated. On these walls, this is a fodder system, which I was using for most of the winter. It's off right now. We'll get that back going. That grows barley grass for the sheep and chickens, and it's all automated. These valves here also go out to the main garden. There's a controller in the other room that is all Wi-Fi routed, turns on, can change it from main or wherever we're hanging out. We also have up top some very bright lights, which you need sunglasses and a hat for when they're on. It is ridiculous. They are controlled by just a manual timer. Sometimes simplicity is the best. Well, I'm gonna get out of here because it is 40 degrees. It's a bluebird day. There's still snow in the mountains, and we're going skiing. Take care, guys.